Since this is a French toast sandwich, melty and creamy chocolate and pumpkin spread are hacked in French toast. Hi, I'm Yoko. Today, I'm gonna make my favorite plant-based brunch recipe, which is this chocolate and pumpkin French toast sandwich. It has indulging pumpkin and chocolate filling inside a French toast. So I think this French toast makes your weekend so special while you're eating wholesome and plant-based. So let's jump into the recipe. Let's start with making the butter for the French toast. In a bowl, I'm gonna add a half cup of plant milk. Here I'm using almond milk, along with 2 tablespoons of flax meal, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon of maple syrup, dash of cinnamon, and a pinch of salt. Then I'm gonna mix well to combine. Flax meal is ground flax seeds. This gives thickness to the mixture and also adds omega-3 fatty acid. I'm gonna set this aside to thicken, and meanwhile, I'm gonna prepare the sandwich to dip in. Let's start with making chocolate filling. In a mixing bowl, I'm gonna add 3 tablespoons of almond butter. I'm using no salt, creamy almond butter. Then I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of maple syrup, 5 teaspoons of water. Mix well to let them emulsify. Then I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of cacao powder. I'm gonna mix well until this becomes creamy spread. This chocolate spread is very easy to make, so I make this a lot for not only French toast, but for pancakes, add on to the porridge, or making a chocolate toast. You can do so many recipes with this. So now let's make the sandwich. Today I'm making 2 sandwiches using 4 pieces of bread. Today I have sourdough bread, but any bread works here. Onto 1 piece of bread, I'm gonna place the half of chocolate spread, and onto the other piece of bread, I'm gonna spread 3 tablespoons of pumpkin puree. I'm using 1 from the can. It may seem a lot, but it really doesn't. I'm leaving small space on the edge of the bread and mainly place the spread on the center, so that they don't emerge from the bread when they become sandwich. Now let's stack one another to make a yummy sandwich. Repeat the same step to make another sandwich. So at this point, French toast mixture should be thickened up and ready to dip in. Let the sandwiches swim in the pool of French toast mixture. I'm making sure to cover all sides and let them soak while we prepare the frying pan. I'm gonna heat the pan on the medium heat and grease the pan with olive oil. Add the soaked sandwiches into a pan, and I'm gonna cook these until the bottom gets golden brown. It's going to take a few minutes, then I'm gonna flip. Once both sides become nicely golden, I'm gonna also cook the side of the sandwich. Then remove from the heat. Let's cut it up and see the insides. Chocolate spread and pumpkin are heated up and become melty and creamy and hacked inside the French toast. So now let's plate it up. For the garnish, I'm gonna add 3 kinds of berries. Since French toasts are rich and sweet, I think tart flavor from the berries complement the French toast the most. I also dusted over coconut powder. This is mostly for presentation purpose, and dash of cinnamon because I love extra cinnamon on top. And of course, drizzle some maple syrup. Now this chocolate and pumpkin French toast sandwich is ready to be enjoyed. This is a perfect weekend brunch menu, but you can also enjoy as lunch or breakfast. They store well, so I always keep my leftovers in a container and place in a fridge. And anytime I need a snack, I'm gonna reheat it, and these yummy snacks are ready in a few seconds. So this is my favorite sweet vegan brunch recipe. You can be creative and change the filling as you like. I hope you enjoyed cooking with me. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next one. Bye!